Hello YouTube friends, today we have a Yakima double down ace hitch bike carrier, and we're going to assemble it and try to install it on a vehicle, see how it works. All right, now we have our hitch laid out, and so it's got two major components: the vehicle attachment piece, and then we have the actual bike carrier. We have some hardware here. Actually, these are tools and straps. So what we want to do is start off by placing the adapter here for the hitch inside of the hitch itself, and then we can start utilizing the rest of it to complete the process. So what we want to do is slide this into the receiver like so. Next we're gonna attach the carrier to it and see how it works. All right, so once you have your vehicle adapter in and you have all the hardware out, you want to make sure on the left side that the adapter hole lines up with the hole in your receiver hitch. You're gonna lock that later. Your next step is to simply take your post here, and what you're gonna do is you're gonna align it with the you're going to insert it on top of this on the vehicle and then align it together. Next, you're going to take your bolt, run it through the left side, put one washer on the inside, the other washer is going to be on the right side, and then the locking nut is going to be coming from the outside. You're going to use the provided wrenches to tighten everything up. All right, once you tighten everything up on the two sides, just note that the hitch has a lock position when this red knob is down, and if you lift it, it's gonna unlock. And then it tilts backwards if you unlock it, so just want to make sure it's in the lock position. So you have it installed on the vehicle now. Your next step is to put the pin through the receiver hole. So you already had it lined up, and if you don't, you want to make sure it's lined up. All right, once the pin is in place, the next step is to remove this dust cover and unlock the locking mechanism. So you're gonna put the key in that's provided and turn it. Once it's unlocked, you should be able to tighten this so that it doesn't have any play in the receiver. And to do that, you have to twist this knob here. continue doing so until you feel a lot of resistance. And you can see the hitch is more secure now. As you can see, it's not shaking as much. And your next step is to lock it. So you're gonna look at counterclockwise. You can see it kind of loosens up after that. And place that dust cover. Now you can extend the arms to start using. All right, so you want to release this mechanism here and raise like so. Now you're ready to load your bikes.